Good morning, 4th class students. Take out your workbooks in term 2. Open page number 6 in first lesson. Page number 6, children. Look here. Observe the given pictures and write briefly about safety. Look at this picture, children. Overload, passengers, auto. About safety precautions, write here neatly. Sharp your pencil. Avoid overload passengers journey. No more than 4 people should travel in the auto. AVOID, avoid. VOVERLOAD, overload. PASSENGERS, passengers. JOURNEY, journey. NO, no, MORE, more. THAN, then. FOUR, for. PEOPLE, people. SHOULD, should. TRAVEL, travel. INTHE, the. AUTO, auto. Next, second picture. Bike, two-wheelers journey. Always wear a helmet when traveling on a two-wheeler. Only two should travel on the bike. Only two passengers should travel on the bike. ALWAYS, always. WEAR, wear. AHELMET, helmet. WHEN, when. TRAVELLING, traveling. ON, TWO2, WHEELER, wheeler, two-wheeler. ONLY, only. Two, TWO2, SHOULD, should. TRAVEL, travel. ON, THE, the. BIKE, bike. Only two passengers should travel on the bike. Next, look at this picture. Never use a cell phone when operating a motor vehicle. Pay attention to horns to be aware of a vehicle near you. NEVER, never. USE, use. ACELLPHONE, cell phone. WHEN, when. OPERATING, operating a. MOTOR, motor. VEHICLE, vehicle. Never use a cell phone when operating a motor vehicle, operating a car. PAY, pay. ATTEN, TION, attention. TO2, HORNS, horns. TO2, BEB, AWARE, aware. OF, of. VEHICLE, vehicle. NEAR, near. YOU. Look at these pictures. Animals, vehicle. If you see an animal on the road, approach slowly. Be prepared to stop. Do not rev the engine or sound the horn, as this is likely to startle the animal and could cause damage to vehicles. IFE, YOUSEECAN, ANIMAL, animal. ONON, THE, the. ROAD, road. APPROACH, approach. SLOWLY, slowly. BEB, PREPARED, prepare. TO2, STOP, stop. DO, NOT, not. REV, rev. THE, the. ENGINE, engine. SOUND, sound. THE, the. HORN, horn. AS, as. THIS, this. IS is. LIKELY, likely. TO2, STARTLE, startly. THE, the. ANIMAL, animal. And COULD, could. CAUSE, cause. DAMAGE, damage. TO2, VEHICLES, vehicles. Next, look at this picture, children. Cross the road only on zebra crossing and when the traffic is at standstill. When crossing a road, look right, look left, and if road is clear, cross it. Don't run. CROSS cross, TH the ROAD road, ONLY only, ON on, ZEBRA zebra, CROSSING crossing, zebra crossing, and WHN when TH the TRAFFIC traffic, ISC is 88 STANDS stands, TILL till. Full stop. WHN when CROSSING crossing, AROAD road, comma, LOOK look, RAGHT right, LOOK look, LEFT left, and IF ROAD road, ISC is CLEAR clear, CROSS cross, IT it, DONT apostrophe S don't, RUN run, don't run. Next, look at this picture, children. Never drink and drive. Always wear seat belt. Always drive within speed limit. NEVER never, DRINK drink, and DRIVE drive. ALWAYS always, WEAR wear, SEAT seat. BELT belt, seat belt, ALWAYS always, DRIVE drive, WITHIN within, SPEED speed, LIMIT limit, speed limit. Never drink and drive, always wear seat belt, always drive within speed limit. Look at this picture, children. Overload truck. Avoid overload traveling. This increases the chances of accidents. AVOID avoid, OVERLOAD overload, TRAVELLING traveling. Avoid overload traveling. THIS this, INCREASES increases, TH the, CHANCES chances of, ACCIDENTS accidents. Next, look at this picture, children. Cross the railway gate. Be careful at railway crossing. Mindless crossing of a closed railway gate will land you in trouble. BEBCAREFUL. Be careful at RAILWAY railway, CROSSINGS crossings, MINDLESS mindless, CROSSING crossing, OF of A, CLOSED closed, RAILWAY railway, GATE gate, WILL will, LA and land, YOUIN in, TROUBLE trouble. Next, look at this picture, children. Traveling while sitting on the roofs. Avoid traveling while sitting on the roofs of railway carriages and hanging on to the footboard. AVOID avoid, TRAVELLING traveling, WHILE while, SITTING sitting, ON TH the, ROOFS roofs, OF of, RAILWAY railway, CARRIAGES carriages, and HANGING hanging, ON TO2 TH the, FOOTBOARDS footboards. Look at this picture, children. Standing on the edge of a railway platform as shown in this picture is always dangerous. Don't lean over the platform edge to see if a train is coming because a train can approach in either directions. Right here, DOD NOT not, LEN lean, OVER over, TH the, PLATFORM platform, EDGE H TO2 SEEC IFEFA TRAIN train, ISC COMING coming, BECAUSE because TRAINS train CAN can APPROACH approach IN EITHER either DIRECTION. Children here CTION direction. Next look at this picture. Keep off the tracks. Never go down on the tracks for any reasons. Use foot over bridges to cross the tracks if necessary. KEP keep OF of THE the TRACKS tracks NEVER never GO go DOW and down ON on THE the TRACKS tracks for ANY any REASONS reasons full stop USC use FOT foot OVER over BRIDGES bridges TO2 CROSS cross THE the TRACKS tracks IF NECESSARY if necessary. Okay children, keep off the tracks, never go down on the tracks for any reasons. Use foot over bridges to cross the tracks if necessary. Next, look at this picture children. Wait for the train to stop before stepping forward at the station. Don't try to get into a moving train. WAIT wait for for THE the TRAIN train TO2 STOP stop BEFORE before STEPPING stepping FORWARD forward AT THE the STATION station DONT apostrophe don't TRY try TO2 GET get INTO into AMOVING moving TRAIN train. Don't try to get into a moving train. Okay children, understood railway precautions and road precautions. Be careful children, follow these road precautions and railway precautions. Okay children, these are lesson 1 workbook exercises. Thank you children. I will meet in the next class.